X is the number of heads obtained when the two fair coins are tossed. So then find the expectation value of heads, expectation value of x squared, variance of x, expectation value of x squared plus 2x, a variance of 2x. So through this and how to understand this way. So when the pair of coin, two pair of coin tossed together, so we get true for the first and head for the second. So it means that because it is equal to, we can get the first for true and head, or for true and true. For also that, we can get it true for the second, also true for the head, the tail and the head for the second. So outcome is what? Outcomes is the tail, head, tail, head, and tail, head. So this is the outcome of when tossing two coin we get or we obtain this. So we need to find the expectation value. So expectation value of getting head. So this probability is distributive probability. The set for that, we obtain the head when we can obtain the head for this, that, and that. So it means that for the x or we find the distribution table. Distribution table for that probability for head, it means that we obtain the head when we can obtain the true. For that, head is equal to 0. We can obtain the head true or head tail or tail head. For that, we get 1. Also, we can obtain head for which is equal to. So, distribution table, to form the distribution table, we draw this x, also the probability of x, there is no probability of x which is equal to x. This is the distributive probability. So here for x, when you get 0, it means that when there is no a head obtained, so here we have one head and here we have a 2. So the probability of getting 0, it means that is equal to that is equal 1 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4. It is equal 1 over 4. So the probability of getting 1 is equal 1 here and that. So means that is 2 out of 4. The probability of getting 1 head is equal to out of 4. The probability of getting 2 head, because this outcome by 4, we obtain 1 head. So it means the probability of that is equal 1 over 4. So according to that, so expectation value of value is the same to the mean. Expectation value of x is equal what? This, it is equal x, the summation of x times the probability of x, which is equal x. So it means that we take this, multiply to that, we get 0 multiply 1 over 4 is equal 1 over 4. Plus this equal 1 over 4 times 0, which is equal to 0, plus 1 times 2 over 4, which is equal to 2 over 4, plus 2 times 1 over 4 is equal to 2 over 4. This is equal 4 over 4. This is equal 1. So this is expectation value. It means that for that, Ex is equal 1. So we need to find also Ex squared. The Ex squared is equal what? The Ex squared is equal summation of x squared p of x, which is equal x. So it means that it's equal 0 squared times 1 over 4 plus 1 squared times 2 over 4. According to that, plus 2 power 2 times 1 over 4. This is equal what? Is equal to 0. This is equal to 2 over 4 plus this is equal 4 over 4 is equal plus 1. So this is equal 6 over 4. This by using common denominator is equal 6 over 4. So this is the same to what? 3 over 2. It means that for that is equal 3 over 2. Okay, there is also, let's continue for that. So the variance of x, the variance of x, it is called expectation value of x square minus ax power 2. It means that we take 3 over 2 minus 1 power 1 power 2 is equal 3 over 2 minus 1 is equal 1 over 2. So it means that the variance of that is equal 1 over 2. So the expectation value also of x square plus 2x is equal to expectation value of x square plus 2 expectation value of 2x. So this is equal what? This is equal expectation value of x square. We obtain it. It is equal 3 over 2 plus 2 this times expectation value of x. So then this is equal what? This is equal 3 over 2 plus 2, which is equal 7 over 2 by using the common denominator. So it means that for that it is 7 over 2. So the last is called variance of 2x. The variance of 2x is equal 2 power 2. This, when you remove this into that, we get 2 power 2 variance of x. So then this is equal 4 times the variance of x. Remember that the variance of x is equal 1 over 2. This is equal 4 times 1 over 2. So if the variance is equal to that, multiply this is equal 2. So this also is the variance. According to that, the variance of 2x is equal 2. So this is called the probability distribution. So if we have any question, if you don't understand the way, write on comment and also ask where you have a problem. Good.